Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from AWS Marketplace seller payments, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from AWS Marketplace seller payments, start by logging into your AWS account. Navigate to the AWS Marketplace Management Portal. On the dashboard, locate the Payments section. Click on Payments to access your payment information. In the Payments section, find the Withdraw option. Review your current balance to ensure it's eligible for withdrawal. Select the Withdraw button. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Provide your banking information if prompted. Double-check all entered details to ensure accuracy. Confirm the withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Wait for the email notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. Once approved, the funds will be transferred to your designated bank account. Keep an eye on your bank statement to confirm the deposit. If you encounter any issues, return to the AWS Marketplace Management Portal for assistance. Consult the AWS documentation for more detailed troubleshooting steps if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.